What up, guys? Me again, and welcome back. Yeah, it's back to Red Dead Revolver. Now, I asked you guys for my next gameplay, what did you want to see? Red Dead Revolver 1. Now, who do you want me to play as, though? Now, that's an interesting one. Because it was a three-way tie between Professor Perry, Mr. Kelly, and Buffalo Soldier. And so I figured I needed a tiebreaker. So the way that I will break said tiebreaker is who is at the top of the list for votes first. And well, that was Mr. Kelly. So that is who I shall play as today. And I will do a 1v1 up against... Yeah. So, before I get into the gameplay, I'd like to explain what took me so long to make a video, because I know a lot of you guys are probably wondering, what took you so long to make a video? Anyways, the part that, so my tripod stand broke. Well, not completely, but the part that holds on to my camera slash phone, you get the idea. That part snapped off because I wasn't being careful with it. So it took us some time before we got around to it, before we fixed it up again. So, and on top of that, life has been getting in the way like crazy. So, and with all this in mind, that's why there hasn't been a new video in some time. Just figured I'd get that out of the way. Anyways, without further ado, let's do this. And again, sorry that it took so long before I made a video. I'll do 3 rounds today, in order from Mr. Kelly all the way to Buffalo Soldier from the characters that won. So that's how this is gonna work. And another thing is, my next video will be Injustice 2. However, it might change because I recently found out I still have Lego Lord of the Rings. So after this video ends, I'll post some polls on my Instagram story. Go vote on those when you get an opportunity. And I'll ask you guys, what shall I play for my next video? And I'll let you guys be the judge of that. Whatever it is, I will play when I get around to it. Hopefully soon, but you get the idea. Anyways, let's go. 5-minute time battle. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Come on, come on. No, no. Ooh. Oh, relax much, because you're like, that's my best impression. Ooh, I've been getting pretty good at that ability. So I just figured I'd show it. Another damn. Come on. Yes. There you are. Come on. How about you hold my bullets, chump? Ooh, I want a ghost, eh? Yes! Ooh. Ooh. Piercing rifle, eh? Oh, yeah. Take that. Come on. May not be piercing bullets anymore, but still got a good rifle. There you are. I know I saw a bullet come from this way. There you. Ooh. I want to. Come here, my boy. Oh. Is it weird? Whenever I get the burning rage, it just and I get a bunch of guys. Like, you guys feel like, oh, come here, my boy. Come on. He's over dramatic. Bless you. Sorry, Dad sneezed off camera. Anyway. Ooh, explosive arrows. Ooh. Oh. Knockdown pistol? Oh dear. No, no. Ah! How did I get launched upstairs? That doesn't even follow the laws of physics. I don't know. There you are. I will never get tired of hearing this guy's overdramatic death stuff. That's why he will be the opponent every match from now on in Red Dead Revolver. Yes! Spirit knife? What does that mean? No, no! I wanted to get it with the last three. Haha! Well, that was easy. Anyways, on to the next three after this loading cycle. I don't know why I cut the giggles so much. Is it from the dude's death sounds, or I just been in a good mood? I don't know. On. I am not doing story mode. No way. Back to the mansion. That there's a cute gun. Ah well. Won't find it cute when I'm getting him with it. I don't know. I just like to make jokes about that kind of stuff. On. I'm anticipating. There we go. Ha 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 ha. Now I mastered that one. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Come here, my boy. Ah, was hoping for. Ah, missed. I was trying to get at him. Oh. Or dramatic push. Ah, he keeps getting out of the way, and I hate that. Oh, how does the stuff hurt him while he drinks it? I don't know. Come here, what I do is. There you are. Did I just get a couple of melee hits on him? Yes, I did. Ooh, come on. Yes. It has been a little while since I last played Red Dead Revolver, so that's why it might seem I'm a little rusty. Then again, I did play a little off camera, but yesterday, but it looks like still got a tad rust left. Ooh, explosive shotgun. Ooh, yeah. That was easy. Just one shot, one kill. Whoa. One. One. Yes. Come on. Oh, no. Please don't get that. You're gonna get it. I'm calling it now anyway. Oh, 6 seconds. 6? And I got him anyway. And see how much I got. On. So I got 10,000 bucks. 21 death toll. 242 shots fired, 166 missed. Had 11 headshots, 29 body shots, 21 arm shots, 6 melee hits, 8 back shots, and 15 leg shots. Well, another successful round if I do say so myself. Still got one more character to play as, and I'm gonna call it good. And after this video, I'll post all those polls like I mentioned earlier. I'm gonna change up the format a little. Let's do a 1v3 round. This time I'm on the 3 people side. This ought to be interesting. Who do I go? I'm gonna go. Yes, there we go. This ought to be fun. And again, as soon as they show up, he's Thorn, dude. He's a goner. Now, another major question I forgot to ask earlier is, now that Mario Kart 8 Deluxe has no more booster course pass to give, I will ask you guys in the same Insta polls, do you want me to continue playing Mario Kart 8? And if so, then I'll ask you guys, who do I pick for my next gameplay? And all that stuff. There you are. That was effortless. Ooh, ice bullets, eh? Stay still, dude. Haha! Ooh, she got it. See what this one yields. Ooh, I also get the twin revolvers. Nice. Where are you, chump? Haha. Ooh. On. Get him. Yes. Over dramatic much? Oh, I thought I got him. Yes. Well, this is pretty effortless. Still gonna put in some effort though, because, wouldn't hurt. Ah! Dang, got me. So the first thing that happened, dude smacks me around. Got me? Oh! That's gotta be unpleasant, because I've heard statistically burning alive is the most painful way someone could die. So I could tell when it's genuine screams. That's no such difference. Ooh, corrosive rounds. Yes, got him. Come on. Aw. At least I still got it. Ow. Got it. There you are. Oh. Where is he? Come here, my boy. Come here, my boy. Aw, they got him. Before I did. Aw. Kinda sucks. Got him. On. Oh no. Oh no. Gotta keep my distance because I don't want to die again. Not again! At least I'm taking you with me if I gotta go down. Another or down. Yes. Well, that was a pretty fun round. In any case, I'm going to wrap up the video right here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to leave a like. Subscribe if you want more content like this. And before I go, just remember there will be a bunch of polls on my Instagram stories after this uploads. Anyways, take care, and as always, take care, and I'll see y'all next time.